Have you worked with any function modules?
Yes, I have worked function module. In fact, we have created one. We have created one function module. That is functional module is basically, you can say, a step of some program written there that is used for specific purpose. I designed the logic for a functional module, and a technical consultant developed it.
Transaction code you use to execute it, and how do you test it if you want to test on your own whether the
Yes,
entries are working fine or not?
yes, I'll provide the input parameters and output parameters when this needs to go into the input, and what output we will be getting. For yes, and for the logic, that's simply it's like access only, that how we give the logic, pass it like, from the tables data that they use, whatever data we input can be used by the logic which we have given, and it's like a calculator. We are giving the input and some processing which is done by the which is done by the logic which we have given, and we are getting the output.
Yeah. So yeah, first of all, we need to pass that import parameters. What are the fields we need to pass, and you have to test on your own with SC37 transaction code. Then you have to give, this is the function module, these are the import parameters. You need to use, you have to guide ABAP. So then ABAP will use that respective fields to complete the transaction. Okay. That's related to the ABAP thing.